Hi there, Lindsay here, the Frugal Crafter. It's been so long since we've sat and talked. I'm going to make sure the camera's rolling. It seems to be. All right, we are good. So we are, what, 5 weeks into, I don't know. I don't even know. It's been a long time since we've been locked down in quarantine here in Maine. Luckily, there haven't been a lot of cases up here, so that's been good. And I've been crafting, although it is kind of hard to get the motivation up, I have to say. I don't know if you're having that same issue, but yeah, I don't know exactly what it is, but I've seen a lot of it, a lot of people struggling with that. Anyway, today's topic, because I want to keep it positive and light here on the channel, because we've had enough gloom and doom, we have enough, you know, fear-mongering and all that jazz, just on social media and television and everything right now. Anyway, so today I want to talk about something positive, and I want to talk about ways you can support your favorite crafty businesses without spending a dime. Because this is really scary for a lot of companies out there, especially smaller hobby companies like stamp companies and, you know, different companies that supply the materials that you love to craft with. As well as, you know, it's scary for creators like me and other friends of mine that are out making videos. So I thought it'd be fun to share some ways that you can support your favorite brands, your favorite creators, your favorite companies, and you know, not spend any money in case, you know, it's kind of, you know, you kind of want to save a bit when you're having kind of turbulent times. So the first thing that I want to share is that if you want to support YouTubers, is to watch their videos, share their videos. If I do something in a video that you love, share it with a friend. You do not have to have a big social media following to share a video. In fact, I think when somebody shares a video and somebody they actually know sees that share, they're more likely to watch it because it's a recommendation coming from a friend. So that will help anybody that you watch on YouTube, anybody that that you follow on any social media network. If you share their posts, if you tell friends about them, that's really going to help them. Even if it doesn't put any cash in their pocket, it's going to help them grow their business so that in the future they can. Another thing you can do for YouTube creators is simply let the ads play when you're watching their videos. That's going to help them support their families, and you might even find out about some business that has something that you might find useful. At the very least, it does help the creator financially, and you don't have to spend any money to do it. To help brands like the stamp companies that you love, the craft companies you love, the small craft independent stores that you love, one thing that you can do is use the products you already have from those companies and share your work online. That's going to inspire other people that may never have heard of this stamp company or that paper company or that store, and then they may make a purchase while they have the time at home to create. So simple things like that can really show your appreciation for these companies that bring you the products you love and help them keep the lights on a little bit longer, and you don't have to spend any money to do that. Of course, if you do have the resources and the need for some products during your stay-at-home time, there's nothing wrong with placing an order. Just be patient, because a lot of companies can't ship out right now because they're not allowed to have staff in their stores. Some companies have moved their inventory to their homes so they can service their customers at this time, but you know, just be patient. If you place an order and it can't come to you right away, they're doing their best. This is a stressful time for everybody, and I just want to make sure that the companies and stores that I love and the creators that I love on YouTube are still here at the end of it. I'm not going anywhere, but I do appreciate it when you share my videos with your friends and you tell other people about the tutorials that I'm offering here and on my blog. And it doesn't cost a penny to do that, just a couple seconds of your time. So yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to say today. And of course, think about your local community. If there are like pizza joints that you like that are offering delivery or curbside pickup, and you're financially able to support them, order from them. Tell people how good the food was. Small companies like that have large overheads, and you know, you want to make sure they're still in your community when you're done. So if you are able to support businesses like that, I think it's a good idea to do so. If you're not, you definitely don't want to put your family at financial risk by spending above your means, but things like that can help, and I'm sure they appreciate it so much right now when things are so crazy. So that's pretty much all I wanted to talk about today. I'm trying to think if there's any other ways. I think just basically sharing and telling people about the people that you follow that you find inspiring, the brands that you like, the products that you like. That's going to help. And even if people can't order today, they'll know about it. So when times improve, when things feel a little bit safer, they can check those companies out. So that's just a little something I wanted to share with you today. I hope you are doing well. I hope that you are safe. I hope you're healthy. I hope your families are healthy. We're all good here in Maine. We had 2 snowstorms this month, which has been kind of crazy. I'm like, oh my gosh, I just wish it was summer. But, you know, hey, we're pretty lucky. We're pretty lucky up here. If you like my earrings, I have a tutorial on my YouTube channel on how to make them. And guess what? You're making it out of basically junk from your recycling bin, so it's practically free to make this project here. I posted it a couple months ago on my YouTube channel if you want to check it out. And these are like the most comfortable earrings to wear. This is like the first time I've had makeup on in weeks, and it does kind of make you feel like a new woman when you fix your hair and you put some makeup on. I mean, I'm not even putting on makeup to go out into the world. I went out to the grocery store the other day, the first time in like 3 weeks. And I wore a mask, so I didn't even put any makeup on. So it's, you know, it makes you feel a little shinier, a little more alive if you're someone who wears makeup. At least that's the way that it makes me feel. I can't speak for anybody else, but yeah, feels good to put on, you know, real pants and, and makeup once in a while. I don't mean to make light of this situation we're in, but we gotta find the sunshine and the laughs where we can. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, happy crafting.